Hello! Welcome to Zenki's Garage. And it's January 1st, so I want to greet you guys a happy new year. And today I will be doing a video on trying to get a weight and balance of my first and only RC truck. I don't want to buy those fancy corner scales, expensive ones, so I was thinking of just trying to do it with the kitchen scales I already have. So let's get to it. So the first thing I did was to get my two available kitchen scales, and then make sure they're zeroed out. And since they are different size, I had to make sure that the area where my truck will be weighed are level. Otherwise, it might give a different or a wrong reading. Whatever is lower would probably be heavier because it's basically leaning on that side. So I just used some miscellaneous items like the cork pad and the user manual to get them on the same level, and then we can start weighing. Okay, now that we have the scales leveled and zeroed out, I grabbed a notepad and a pen, and we'll record as we weigh. What I wrote on the notepad is left scale, right scale, and orientation. And we'll first measure when the truck is facing to the left. So the left scale is 158. And the right scale is 107.5. And then let's turn the truck around to see if we'll get a similar weight. So here, the right scale reads 158.5. The left scale reads 108. Okay. Oh no, it says 107. Okay. So, given that, I think we'll just do whole numbers. I think we can say that the front is 158 grams and the rear is 107. Total of 265 grams. What will the scales tell us? It is 265. And here, the more accurate one says 265. 65.0. Okay. 265, 265.0. Okay. I am not gonna do the math myself right here. Can you see? 158 divided by 265 equals, whoa, that's 59.62%. I'm super close to the 60-40. It's amazing. 107 divided by 265 is 40.38. It's like I know what I'm doing. I don't know how that happened, but that is very close to the 60-40 that I keep hearing about. So I guess the reason why I'm having trouble crawling is because I suck. I'm bad at driving my truck. Something to work on, I guess. New Year's resolution number 1 is to drive better. Okay, anyway, that's it. I just wanted to share with you guys the workaround or the balance, the weight balancing experiment that I thought about without buying those corner scales, expensive corner scales. These are 2 scales I already had in my kitchen. And it seems like it's a decent way to get the balance. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments section what you guys did and how I can improve this method. And thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye-bye.